What's the right price for your subscription or SaaS product? Pricing can feel overwhelming and mysterious. Will I lose users if I raise prices? Should I drop my prices and gain new users? And what about international markets? You really don't know. You've sent surveys, looked at your competitors, changed prices before even hired consultants. But how can you be certain your pricing is optimal? Meet Corrily. Corrily helps SaaS and subscription companies find and set optimal prices by running live price experiments with algorithms that adapt prices and discounts in real time to boost conversions and revenue. It's why customers using Corrily see an average revenue increase of 40% and have increased conversion by up to 45%. With Corrily, you can visualize precisely what prices maximize your objectives and how your KPIs should evolve over time. So you can always ensure your most important pricing and business decisions are informed and data-driven. Corrily also lets you localize prices and personalize discounts to specific user segments. Plus, it integrates with the subscription management platforms, payment gateways, and data platforms you already use. Remove the guesswork and set your prices with confidence. Corrily. Know exactly what to price your products, services, and subscriptions. Get started today at Corrily.com.